Okay, so here's our next example. We're looking at this one here, and once again we'll have a look at what it looks like on our graph, just to get an idea of what's happening. So that's negative 4 divided by x minus 3. So there we can see our graph, kind of what it looks like, but we need some values for this. So I'll go into my table mode again, and we'll set our graph to start at negative 5, we'll go through to positive 5, and we'll go up in steps of 1. Okay, so my first point that I can put there at negative 5 is 2.2, so way up here. It should be negative 2.2, so let's try that again. So negative 2.2, and then 2, 1.6, negative 1, keep on going down, then positive 1, and then we have that asymptote there. And on the other side, at 1 we start at negative 7, so way down here, negative 7 will be about there, and negative 5, then negative 4.3, and 4, and at 5, 4.3. So I've just made a little bit of a mistake here. So 1 was negative 7, 2 negative 5. Now I can see that we've need that to be 3, 4, 5. There we go. Negative 4.3, negative 4, negative 3.8. Okay, there we go. So as we sketch this in, it's going to be coming down like this and around, approaching that line but never touching. And the same here, coming down, around, and approaching that line but never touching. So if we just look at where our asymptotes lie here, we've obviously got this asymptote down the middle again, a bit like what we had last time. But what is a bit different this time is our asymptote is not on the x-axis. So I've got another asymptote this way. So just to talk about our first asymptote, so this asymptote is x equals 0, but this asymptote here is at y equals 3. And if we have a little bit of a think about why that asymptote is at, that should be negative 3, we can see that we've made a transformation here of down 3. So it actually makes sense that we've translated the normal asymptote down.